What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Boo, and I'm back with another video for y'all. So I know y'all seen that title, and I know y'all read that thumbnail. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make any picture that you want to cartoonish. So it's gonna be really simple and easy. This video is not gonna be too long, but I did want to go ahead and give y'all this gem. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you tell me if the video was helpful for you, and if you got any more video ideas that you want me to do, and I'll go ahead and put them on this channel. But again, y'all, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So first thing first is you want to make sure that you get a picture that you're going to want to use. So it could be a picture of yourself or a picture of anybody that you want to make it. I just chose Rihanna for my image that I'm going to be using, which is this. And then I'll show you guys the original picture as well here that I chose, which is here. So I chose this picture because I really love Rihanna. A lot of my videos that I've been doing lately, I've been dedicating them to like black celebrities and just people in general, people that I feel like is pretty and that I just love. So anyways, so go ahead and make sure you get the image that you want to use. And then once you get the image that you want to use, we're going to go ahead and go into Picsart. Picsart is going to be the only app that we'll be using. We may use like the eraser app if we need it. But I'm going to go ahead and go into Picsart. Once you get into Picsart, you want to go ahead and hit the plus sign. You want to choose the image that you're going to want to make cartoonish. And then at the very bottom where it says effects, you're going to hit effects. Now, before you do effects, you can go ahead and cut out the background. If you don't like that background in the back, you can cut that out if you want to. And you'll just hit cut out, hit person, preview it, make sure it looks how you want it to look, and then you'll hit save. Once you get rid of the background, you can go ahead and hit effects. And then we're going to scroll over to magic, and we're going to look for soul. And then once you find soul, you want to go ahead and hit it, and then you're going to tap it again, and you can kind of make it lighter than that. So you see how like it's like orange. I'm going to take it down just a little bit so that way it doesn't look too bad here. And then once you have it how you want it to be, you're just going to hit apply. And then we're going to go ahead and hit effects again. We're going to go to sketch this time, and we're going to hit the first sketch. See. Now that we have this, we're going to hit sketch again. We're going to hit horizontal just to go ahead and line it up with her face here. Once you have it to where you want it to be, you can go ahead and mess with the lines as well. Make them as dark or light as you want them. And you can also fade the color out if you want to as well. And then so I'm going to choose black because I just feel like it fits better on her. So I'm going to choose black for my color. And then I'm just going to mess with the lines here just to make it a little bit more perfect here. And there it is. And then you just want to hit apply. And then that is how you make any picture that you want to cartoonish. That was really simple and easy. And then I also want to show you guys my other one that I did as well, just to give y'all another idea of what I'm talking about here, which is this picture of Rihanna. So I did this picture as well, and I made her cartoonish. And then I didn't cut out the background, but if I want to cut out the background again, I'll just hit cut out, and then I'll do person, and I'll preview it just to make sure it looks like how I want it to look. And you see how it got like this color right here? You can always erase that if you want to. Just make sure you be careful and take your time erasing it. If it's bothering you, you can erase it. And then once you have it to where how you like it, that's it, child. And that's it, child. That is simply how you do any cartoon video that you want to do. Any image that you want to do, you can do it this way, and then you'll just hit save, and it'll save to your photo gallery. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to go ahead and show y'all that really quick here. I told y'all it was not going to be a very long video. You can also use CapCut if you want to make it into like a logo, and I might do the video on that, just showing y'all how to use CapCut and how to make a logo, like a animated logo with it, with your cartoon photo. But yeah, y'all, if y'all have any other questions that I didn't cover in this video, just make sure y'all comment that down below. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Hey.